A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So today I am here to talk on the topic that is EVM, electronic voting machine versus ballot paper. So first of all, I would like to give a basic or brief history about the both the things. So if we talk about the ballot paper, then it has been used in India since our independence and up to 1982 when the EVM was first time used in the by-election in Kerala, followed by in New Delhi, in MP, and in Rajasthan it was used in 1992, and it was the year 2004 when the first time the general election in India was held entirely on the electronic voting machine. But with the advancement of usage of the electronic voting machine, a lot of opposition parties they started in the opposition of using EVM because they had a fear of tampering, hacking of the electronic voting machine. But in 2017, the Election Commission of India they given an open challenge to all the opposition parties to come and hack in front of the election commissioner, but nobody was able to do so. And so the Sunil Arora, the chief election commissioner, he announced that he is going to conduct the entire general election of 2019 with the help of only electronic voting machine. But he also added the VVPAT machine so that the opposition parties they can get satisfaction. Now talking about the merits and demerits of both the electronic voting machine and the ballot paper. Then firstly talking about the merits of electronic voting machine, then it is a technical instrument and it gives a faster and precise results. With the help of EVM it takes less time to count the voting, and as well as there is less chances of miscounting, whereas on the other hand while usage of the ballot paper a lot of instances of miscounting was represented, and in the electronic voting machine it is providing a faster declaration of result. Even in the electronic voting machine it requires minimum resources, but on the other hand in ballot paper it wastes a lot of paper. We all know that India is the second most populous country in the entire world with a population of 1.35 billion, so it wastes a lot of paper and hence trees are wasted. Now talking about the merits of the ballot paper, then we have been saying that a lot of developed countries such as Japan, Germany, Ireland, Netherlands, they are returning towards the use of ballot paper because of the fear of hacking or tampering in the EVM. But at the same time here I would like to repeat that India is the second most populous country, whereas the Japan, Germany, they are less populated countries, so they can use and meet with the expenses of the ballot paper. But in the country like India, it takes a lot of paper and cutting of the tree for the ballot paper. Now in the end or conclusion, I would like to say that EVM is the better option for India, provided that the election commission or the ruling government they should ensure that EVM is not hackable, it is not tamperable, and we must ensure that no criminal get into the power with the help of tampering the EVM. So this is all in this lecture. That's all. Thank you.